Do you currently know how much cost you should expect each month of your project, or how much you should be billing your client to remain on schedule? The new advanced forecasting feature allows you to define a duration for each budget line item and then apply an automatic smart curve or a manual distribution to create a monthly projection to keep your projects on track and on budget. This is made possible by a new tab in the budget tool and new forecasting views, allowing you to control what values you want to project monthly. You can then import or bulk apply durations for each of your budget line items. The magic comes with the ability to apply a smart curve and have Procore distribute your forecast automatically. Have a lot of site work? Maybe you can front load those divisions. Have a lot of HVAC equipment? Make sure you backload those line items. While this is a great starting point, the tool also has the flexibility to manually override any monthly values. In the end, this allows you to create a time-based distributed budget for cost or revenue that you can use to make sure your projects don't fall behind.